Hello again, it's Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another Spiegel Mom Scraps Design Team layout. Today we're going to be using Dink. It will be released in April, so stay tuned for this gorgeous mix of blue, green, and silvery iridescentness. It's gorge. So I've kind of designed the colors that I'm going to choose around this. We have one photo of me, my son, and my husband in Vegas. We're walking the strip there. For my son's 21st birthday. I'm trying to see what I did. There it is. Because we are on Las Vegas Boulevard, so I just thought of that, and it's in green. And it was 21, so I'm going to try to get that on there as well. But for the majority of my layout, I want to focus on these Echo Park chipboard sheets. I do have my title, which is going to be Today Was Magical. I'm going to map my one photo with this blue paper and the gray bicycle, so you won't really see that it's a bicycle. And I've got Fancy Pants Designs, Just Plain Fun, and Echo Park's Birthday Wishes. So what I was thinking is we're going to gut this one, and I'm going to use it to Matt's. And then we've got the Echo Park birthday, because, you know, it was his birthday. So let's just... Oh, I can't really trim that down, can I? Wonder, I bet we can do this. We'll just come in and pop that down there. We're just going to piece it together. You're not going to be able to tell. Enough that it's going to bother me, I guess I should say, because it might bother some people. And then just line that one up as well. Just come through and just cut that off. There you go. So I am trying to use the scraps as much as I possibly can. Because I really only like to have full sheets left over. Like when I get done with this collection kit project. So that I did not put on straight at all, so there we go. And we're just gonna roughly cut this out. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm okay with that. Just enough to get a little bit of something behind this layout. All right. Ta-da! Now, let's cut the branding strip off, and then we're going to make this. Let's do 11 1/4. 11 1/4. Okay. And then, yes, I am going to get this as well. Some of these sheets I have 1,400 copies of, and some I just have the one. So, what my plan is going to be is we're going to do this, boop, just like that, and then I'm going to start layering all that up. I am going to put this right in the middle. So me and Sam were taking a selfie, and Robbie didn't realize, but he photobombed us, so it was kind of funny. So it's just like a little impromptu, right up, like we're walking towards Paris on the Vegas Strip. So I'm going to go ahead and get this gutted on here, this matted, and then I feel like we could put the 21 kind of right there or something, because we're going to fill this up with all kinds of fun goodness. So I'm going to do that, and I'll be right back. Alright, so we've got that done. I've got my title on. I have spread what I could. I didn't really want to fill the whole page because it was starting to look too... Ugh. I've got our Vegas Boulevard, our 21 there. And then we've went in a diagonal pattern. And I did use up a lot of those chipboard. I'm going to come in with these little stars and just kind of pop them around. And then we're going to see what we want to do. With the sequins to add some more sparkle and shine to the layout. So I'm trying, I don't want anything to touch. I know that seems weird. Let's pop that one up there. And then I've got the two birthday things on there, so making a dent in some sticker sheets. All right, now we're going to fill this up. So we're gonna try, well, let's just do this the right way. So what I'm gonna try to do this is, instead of like systematically placing them, we're just going to dump them in my little sequin bowl. And then just kind of spread them around, right? I figure we'll just, well, that, oh, that was an epic fail. Okay, get that closer to the cuff. Need some blue in here. It's stuck to my hand. That one kind of landed on there. Let's get a little bit more of the blue. Okay. I've got a few up here. Where else? I think we need to add this guy right there. All right, so I did kind of systematically place them, but then not really. I'm just trying to see if we can get them. Come on. All right. And I like that. All right, so then all I'm going to do is take my little pokey tool. And we are just going to pick it up, add a dab of glue, and drop it back down, right? So that it's pretty much in the same area. Why is that not wanting to stick? And then we'll just keep doing that until we get them all popped down. And some of them we're going to have to turn. My pokey tool needs to be cleaned, I think. all I do is just take it and scrape it with my fingernail, you guys. So that's what we're going to do. Everything else has been glued down. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this. And it was a short and sweet layout today. Oh, man. Oh, I messed that one all up, but that's okay. We'll get that one fixed. But nonetheless, come on. I am liking this. So please head to the shop. Use the code down below to get a discount. If you have a PR code, totally try to use it. I mean, you can pay full price. Jody won't mind. But yeah, start using the code, you guys. There's plenty of them if you want to use someone else's. I'm totally fine with that. But it does just let the owners know that they are getting business from their design team. So it does help to make sure that we're doing our part for the fabulous stores. But I love this sequin mix. It is really, really beautiful. So I do think we need to add a few more in there. Because I think it just needs, a little bit more something, right? Something like that. And then we're going to come and get all these. So instead of making you guys watch me do the rest of this, but yeah, try this technique. Just kind of scatter them around. And I think it's kind of fun because then it's more natural, right? More organic than if you sit there and systematically place each one. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this off screen, and then there will be the close-up shots will come later in the video. So yeah, go ahead and do a thumbs up, give a like, head over to Spiegel Mom Scraps, pick yourself up some of these fabulous mixes. Like I said, this mix will be out in April. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys later. Bye.